Assalamu alaikum. I'm Nilufar Yasmin. Hello, my dear students. How are you? I hope you are well and safe. I'm your science teacher. Welcome to my online class. Today I discuss with you Chapter 7 Natural Resources. Dear students, I have also arranged today's class like your textbook. I hope you are enjoying the class. We have already known this chapter is fully based on theoretical topics. I have attached some picture to make easier the class to you. Dear students, in your last class, I gave you questions and a chart. I hope you learned and made it. Dear students, our today's topic is conservation of natural resources of Bangladesh. Dear students, please take your science book. You can see a picture of activity making paper bag. What to do? Paper 1 place of both sides written papers and gum. Make a paper bag following the steps below. Make a list of uses of paper bag. To carry goods, to reduce the use of polythene. From the above activity, we can say that a paper bag has a lot of importance in our daily life. It is an eco-friendly alternative to replace the use of polythene bags. A paper bag can be reused several times and it can be recycled, which reduced the cutting of trees for making paper. Thus, making and using paper bags serves an important role in the conservation of natural resources. Natural resources are limited, so we need to conserve natural resources. There are many ways that we can say that we can conserve natural resources. Reducing the uses of resource. Dear students, you can see a picture of reducing the uses of resource, which is made from paper. The best way to conserve natural resources is being economical while using natural resource. When we reduce trash or energy use, we use fewer natural resources. For example, we can turn out gas burner after cooking. Reusing resources. We have learned how we can reuse paper by making bag with it. When we reuse something, we can reduce trash and help save natural resources. We should use something over and over again before recycling or throwing it away. When something is broken, we should try to fix it instead of putting it in the trash and buying it again new. Dear students, you can see a picture of wind turbines and solar panels which is produced electricity. Recycling resources. Dear students, you can also see some picture of in your textbook, page number 54. Recycling is using old materials to make new things. If we recycle, we do not have to use more natural resources. For example, by recycling paper, we can reduce the number of trees cut down a year because paper is made from trees. Old newspaper can be recycled new paper. Using renewable resources. People get most of electricity mainly from non-renewable resources such as oil, coal and natural gas. However, non-renewable resources cannot be replaced once they have been used up. Instead, we should use renewable resources such as sunlight, wind, and water current. Changing behaviors. The best way to conserve natural resource is to change our behaviors. We can reduce our energy use by turning off lights when they are not needed. We can reuse paper by writing on both sides of paper. We can also recycle the used cans or the old aluminum to make new things. Dear students, you can see a chart what we will do. Make a list of what we will do for the conservation of natural resources in the table shown right. Share your idea with your parents or brother or sisters. Dear students, what we will do? Be wise in using natural resources. Recycle to make new things from old things. Reduce the use of non-renewable resources and increase the use of renewable resources. Dear students, no more today. Please note down here today's homework. Read page 53 to 54 and learn descriptive question 3. Dear students, please read the lesson properly and learn these questions. If you have any inquiry, please contact with me. Thank you.